Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, what's going on? I've got a very nice episode for you today. We're going to be making biscotti. Now, to those of you who don't know, it's an Italian biscuit type thing. It's got almonds in it. It's lovely, right? So this recipe was submitted to me by YummyEats03 on the Instagram. Highly recommend you go and check her out. All of her Instagram posts have got the actual ingredients listed there as well to make it nice and easy for you. Do go and check her out. Remember, folks, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based or no animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Also, leave a comment. Show some love. Folks, love you all. Let's get cooking. Have a great day. As always, the full recipe will be in the description. So for this, you're going to want some whole wheat flour, some ground almonds, some whole almonds, some cane sugar, some maple syrup, some baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, almond milk, water, almond extract, and optional orange extract. Then we're going to start off by adding all our dry ingredients. We're going to give that a nice stir. And we're going to start by adding our liquids. Once we've given that a nice mix, and it gets a bit tough, we're then going to add our almonds in, our whole almonds. Then we're going to knead that until we've got a nice log shape, and we're going to roll it out a little bit. You want it to be just under an inch thick. And we're going to put that in the oven on 180 degrees C or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once that's out the oven, we're going to slice it. Be very careful with it, make sure the knife is super sharp because it does tend to crumble a bit, and that's totally fine. Don't worry if it cracks, that's also normal. I actually made 2 batches of this, that's why you can see a lot more on the tray. But once they've been sliced, we're going to put that in on 180 degrees C or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes on each side. And then we're going to stand them upright and just let them cool down to room temperature. Basically what you want is for them to dry up. That's it. It's done.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to break into it and give it a nice taste test. So what we're looking for here basically is a snap and a proper crunch. So I'm going to snap it open. Things I want to basically see here: almond flavour, the nice crunchy texture, and hopefully the orange drops that I put in there come and give it a nice extra dimension to it. Now you'll notice in the stores when you buy this, usually it's a lot more golden, and that's because they use egg wash on there, and I don't eat eggs anymore. So basically, look, as you can see, I've chosen a nice almondy bit. So right, let's go for the snap. Ready? Next to the microphone. Good. Now what we want basically is the crunch. So here we go. I'm going to do an ASMR test. I usually hate ASMR. It's the most cringe thing in the world, but it's got to be done for this because it's the only way you can know if it's crunchy. Crunchy. Let's go. There we go. That's nice. It's really nice. Okay, so it's dried out nicely. Very, very crunchy. Now, the orange drops that I put in there give it a really nice touch. Highly recommended. It's not part of the recipe. I added it in there because I once had biscotti with it in and I was like, damn. Every time I've had it without, it just doesn't taste as right. But yeah, really good. Do try this. This is a really good recipe, by the way. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you enjoyed it, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you'd like me to try one of your recipes. Best place to get me to engage on that is on Instagram. I'm going to put all the links down in the description down below. Have a good week, folks. Thank you again for stopping by. Enjoy.
And this time I'd like to give a very special thanks to YummyEats03 on Instagram. Make sure you go and follow her for more amazing vegan recipes. It's been an absolute pleasure making this. Love the result, and I will be making this again. Remember, if you want me to try out your recipes, as long as it's vegan, I'm happy to do so. Hit me up on the Instagram. Let's get talking. I love you all. Have an amazing week. Bye for now.